If you have a house in Groveport, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Groveport. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Groveport prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than listing their house with a real estate agent. Now, I'm not saying now real estate agents are bad, it's just not for everybody. Now, first off, if your house is in mint condition, beautiful, you're on no timeline at all, you don't care if it sells or not, you don't care how long it takes, the house needs zero work, or you have money to fix up the house, work with a realtor, they're going to do a great job. We work with everybody else. We work with the people who want to keep it easy and convenient, and the way we're able to keep it easy and convenient is we're an as-is buyer, point blank. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't need to clean, you don't need to haul anything away, you could just, anything you want out of the house, take it, anything you don't want, just leave it behind, we'll take care of everything. And we're a cash buyer, so there's no inspections, formal inspections, there's no appraisals, there's no, pulling out at the last minute because the lender didn't approve us or something like that. No, we're a true cash buyer. You can see it in the testimonial playlist that we have on the YouTube channel. We got hundreds of testimonials. Everybody says the same thing. We're easy to work with, and we're a cash buyer, and that's the perfect person for us to work with. So if you're looking for a cash deal and to sell as is and just to be done with this thing, I don't care how long the house has been sitting vacant. We buy houses that need a lot of work, and we buy a lot of houses that don't need a lot of work. We love Groveport. We're like a neighbor. We're not some call center that's located in some foreign distant land or anything like that. We're here for you. We're going to treat you right, just like we've been doing for 14 plus years here in Central Ohio and especially in Groveport. So if you got a house in Groveport, let's get you an offer. Give us a call. There's no obligations. There's no sales pitch. It's just a conversation that we can have. We just need to know more about the house and know more about the timeline in which you're looking to close. And that's it. So if you have a house in Groveport, you're looking for an offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we speak, it's a very easy conversation. We're not going to hit you with sales tactics or anything like that. We're not going to waste your time. Typically, we know within the first 5 to 10 minutes if we're a good fit for each other. If we are, we'll move forward. We're going to over-communicate. We're going to make this very easy for you, just like we've done with everybody else. If we're not a fit for each other, we'll shake hands and part as friends. We're going to make you a fair offer. If the offer doesn't work for you, no problem. We're not going to haggle you. This isn't a used car dealership. So if you got a house in Groveport, you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, give us a call today, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.